I caught drop running down your check. How would I know? Or throw in anger, pain, despair, so many. I tried to. The love I feel, I reach across my beside. I cannot explain it, but cannot stop smiling, seeing your face every day. It's so big glowing. You make me happy in every way. Never knew I could feel this, but here it is. Thoughts, idea never know. My persons might you meet, but this feels so right, not a moment toy. Lad, you show me love like I never known. Unioning constriction, real emotions are shown in your arms. Everything feels alienating a place of safety where my heart inclined and now that's where I belong. Now disguises the love I feel for you. It never lies. I don't ever want to be without you. This is love, is real, pure, and true. I love you deeply. That's my view forever and always here. And now, continuously replying our relationship, literally tearing at my flesh, pulling, secreting, yawning, biting, lifted, bloated, inflicted my preparations and relatives have become folks and unclear. The pain is still monumental, real as the witnessing from each tear, thinking of your continuous heightening sense in my every near. Time hasting, surveying its purpose, the total opposite are connecting, giving you everything and more, yet to my love into my heart and soul obliterated from the damage done by. I don't have a plan B. The love I had give to you, never giving it a second thousand, thanking you. My dream come true. One my cans, a broken miss, unhatility relationship in tatters, left an impeding, hello shill, heartbroken, beluded, betrayed body, and soul retaliating with affection, need, and untotating from your eradicating you from permanently, then perhaps I might pull through, liking at the trees around the lake, picturing the chance and reasons, gentle water, replay with the rain, golden fallen leaves reflected the reasons, the darknet escape through anger, the wind, a blister's song is wild and set to shiver within trees, a brain forest rest amid the streaming torrent of river, the sleeping fast rest until the spring, the dream through all the gold of days which falls. She bows her head and slowly rests her eyes and patiently awaits the long tomorrow. But her beauty is not loose in the gold times, dressed gold brown with subtly shades of amber, the pairing of rain which hang around her neck catch ray of light that glisten and mirroring all through the brain month. She stands with pride, with saving movement, color, and crush me, and even when she feeling good inside, the beauty falls around here like a river. So smile, and I blow a